My name is Gavin, and today I'll be playing mm2. This game is very popular, and I'm not that big of a fan of it, but it gets a lot of views and likes, so that's why I'm playing it. I'm not that good. I used to do mm2 aim trainer, but now I don't because the game is completely bugged, and I hate the new one. So yeah, I basically lost all my skill in this one too. Um, I, I, yeah, I'm just not a big fan of this game if I'm being honest. Yeah, I'm not saying it's overrated or anything, but like I'm just not that big of a fan of it. And yes, I do have voice chat.
Hi.
Why is this bro such a big bag for eating? Bro is so big.
Nom.
What are you eating? Are those chips?
Yes.
It's midnight. You're gonna get fat. Stop.
My parents live.
Bro has an accent. Bro has an accent.
Oh, really?
And bro British.
Yeah.
Want a cup of tea? My mate. Bro is 100% British, like 1,000%. Y'all can hear that accent. I'm not the only one. Wow. You. Dude, my luck on this game has actually gotten way better. Because like, usually I get innocent for like the first like 10 rounds, bro. And then I actually get a roll. But no, for the past time I've been playing this game, the last time I played this game, I had really good luck. And I got a roll in like my first time I joined. The game last time. I was like, some sheriff. Let me not have the gun out. Okay. Please stop repeatedly staying on your desk. Standing on custom need to replace. Thank you. Fuck. Who's the murderer? Oh, I saw it. Oh, it's him. Come here, boy. Dude, okay, dude, if y'all do not move, like, I can't shoot him. Uh-oh, flip. Oh, shoot. Uh-oh. Oh, move, Biggie. Leave. Oh, I just sold. GG's. Oh my god! I'm gonna go kill somebody, bro. I'm
Not the
raise
best.
clap your hands if you want to die. Actually, like, now, like, clap your hands if you want to die.
I have.
Clap your hands if you want to die, bro.
I have the default one equipped. I don't know. For some reason, I just literally turned into a sea lion when I stuttered.
You know what?
By the way, his avatar costs 2K.
Hit it with me, hit the sea lion.
No.
Everybody do it with me.
Gavin Smooth. His avatar costs over 2K. So it costs over 9K. And 19K. It's for you. It costs over 19K for you. If you have core blocks. Well, I have core blocks.
Oh, she back. He left and then she rejoined.
Everybody do this shit like okay. I'm playing some phone because like why not? What's that one funk? It's like has a hedgehog on it. It's like shoot, what is it called? It's like it's like oh shoot, what is it? It came out in 2026, right? Ela dash bells on bunny episode. Nina what is it called, bro? Hold on. Oh yeah, no bad detail. Oh.
I think it's pretty obvious.
Oh, I just lost all my aura.
Ela desce, ela sobe no baile é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando, não perde a razão. No batidão, no batidão.
Bro!
Let's go,
Bro, you're not right.
Nah, I think next time I'm gonna try to ore farm soul. Everybody vote Melbase.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn into what people call a slender.
Yo, come here. Actually, yeah, you can come. Wait, come here. What is that?
Dude, please. What the hell? Why can't I play it?
So I start with down and then hello, everyone.
Yo, what is that hitbox? What is that hitbox? Now tell me what that hitbox is, bro.
That was lucky.
That was the most massive hitbox ever, bro.
Anyways.
You're such a massive hitbox.
How do you get the same roll? Why is it a damn roll?
Come here.
My voice said it's back.
Come here. We found a secret.
Wait,
Go up here. Go up here.
I'm going up here.
Bro, we've seen that. We've seen it.
I know about this.
This is one of the most common things you can know. How is it
Currently a battle to see who can get them.
Yo. Bro, why'd you reset?
The murderer left.
Oh my god.
The murderer.
Anyway. Yo, where is yo King Von.
Battle lab.
King Von.
King Bun.
Oh, so they left. Okay.
Nah, did you say, I swear I'm a bro. Bro's not King Von, bro.
Nobody
Lil,
bashing
bro,
me.
you're not King Von.
Bro, go away.
Lil, bro, you're
Go
not
away.
King Von. Snipe him, bro, snipe him. Or you can just free send me the gun, but I don't really appreciate that. Little bro, you're not killing me, though. You're not surprised that name killed me, bro. Because usually these hitboxes are like massive. He's going after me. Hey, chill. Oh! I thought he was going the other way. Am I seriously the second one dead, bro? Oh, he is actually so racist.
What are you shooting? You can do this, my guy. I trust you.
Bro. Try and play the game, okay?
Oh, yo,
Hey,
yo.
James.
Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna go hit somebody with this and end the video, but oh my god. Yo, can the round end? Like, hello? Dude. Yo, can you hear me? Yo, I got something to tell you.
So.
Okay, hold on.
Of course somebody had to take
Oh, wait.
the gun and take my
Hold on. Hold on, wait. Yo, see you guys next